Today, we are diving into the hands-on review of the Google Pixel 9, with a comprehensive comparison between the Pixel 9 Pro models. Google introduced the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL as the most expensive Pixels to date, and I'm not convinced that they're worth the extra cash. After spending nearly a year with the Pixel 8 Pro, I'm not itching to upgrade to either of these new models. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the reasons why I think the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL are overrated, and why I'm leaning more toward the vanilla Pixel 9. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's talk about those price hikes first. Google has done something pretty unusual by raising prices 2 years in a row. The Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL are positioned as the top-tier models, but they come with a hefty price tag of $999 and $1,099 respectively, which I think overshadows their actual value. On the other hand, the Pixel 9 is still pricey at $799, but it's the front-runner for me. The Pro models might have the Pro tag, but don't let that fool you into thinking they're leagues ahead. The Pixel 9 packs the same Tensor G4 chip as the more expensive models. And this isn't a case of using last year's tech in a cheaper package. Google's treating the Pixel 9 with the same high-end hardware as its pricier siblings. When it comes to the design of these three devices, Google has given all three models in the lineup a fresh look with flatter edges and a redesigned camera bar. Despite the Pixel 9 having a glossier finish compared to the matte glass on the Pro models, it still feels premium. All three phones have the same IP68 rating and durability, so there's no compromise on build quality with the Pixel 9. For those who value design, the Pixel 9 doesn't feel like a step down at all. It's just a different flavor. Now, I'm curious to see if there's any real difference in performance between these three phones. The Pixel 9 has 12 GB of RAM compared to 16 GB in the Pro models. While that might sound like a big deal, I suspect it's only going to impact how many apps you can keep open in the background. For most people, 12 GB is more than enough. And it's not like the Pixel 9 is going to struggle with everyday tasks or even more demanding apps. So, in terms of raw power, the Pixel 9 is holding its own. When it comes to the features, the Pixel 9 doesn't get the free year of Gemini Live like the Pro models, but it's still packed with the new AI-assisted photo editing tools that Google introduced at their big event. You're getting features like Add Me, Pixel Studio, and Reimagine, which let you have some serious fun with your photos. What the Pixel 9 lacks are some of the advanced video features like Video Boost and Night Sight Video, which might be a bummer if you're big on video content. But for most people, the Pixel 9's photo capabilities are more than enough, and these missing video features don't feel like a deal breaker. On the other hand, the Pixel Studio is a standout feature, and I was really impressed by how accurately it can generate custom sketches and images based on just a text description. It's fast and the results are surprisingly good. Also, with the Add Me feature, you can include yourself in a shot, even if you're the one taking the picture, thanks to some clever AR-assisted magic. These are features that add a lot of value to the Pixel 9 without the need for the Pro's higher price. Moving on to the camera setup, the Pixel 9 isn't missing out much either. It's got the same 50 megapixels main and 48 ultra-wide cameras as the Pro models. The ultra-wide camera even uses the same sensor and has the same field of view, so you're not sacrificing image quality by going with the cheaper model. And you lose out on the third telephoto lens, but Google's software tricks have always been strong enough to make up for that. I've seen Google do amazing things with pixel binning on older models, and I'm confident that the Pixel 9 will still deliver decent zoom shots even without a dedicated telephoto camera. I wouldn't be surprised if it can handle 2x or 3x zoom without much of a drop in quality. Finally, let's talk about battery life. This is one area where the Pro models might pull ahead, but unless the Pixel 9 Pro outlasts the Pixel 9 by a significant margin, I don't see it being a strong enough reason to spend the extra money. Battery life is crucial, but Google's done a solid job with battery optimization in the past, and I expect the Pixel 9 to be no different. As for my conclusion, while the Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL might be Google's flagship offerings, I think the Pixel 9 is the smart choice this year. It offers a lot of what makes the Pro models great, but without the hefty price tag. If you're in the market for a new Pixel, the Pixel 9 deserves a serious look. It's the Pixel I'd buy and I think it might just be the best value in Google's lineup this year.